This is Brisbane Airport's Aerobridge replacement program, a long-term investment into renewing critical infrastructure to keep the airport operating safely, efficiently and reliably into the future. Each replacement involves months of planning, including safety, logistics, airline coordination and installation sequencing, even before the works commence. Over time, the program delivers more reliable gates, better compatibility with modern aircraft and fewer disruptions. As passengers use the new Aerobridges, they'll experience smoother and more reliable connection, and if they don't notice it, that's the real sign of success.
Today we've delivered our second Aerobridge to the airport, gate 84. An Aerobridge is around 20 to 45 metres, weighs around 25 to 40 tonne, depending on what type of Aerobridge it is. The alignment of the Aerobridge to the existing infrastructure, having the Aerobridge connect to the plane is the most technical challenge in this project.
So it starts off maybe 6 to 8 months in advance. We discuss the needs in terms of positioning, flow and traffic of the apron. We test it in our yard, we ship it over and then we install it. It's a 3-tunnel bridge which is concertinaed down into a single unit. We put it onto a 20-foot shipping base on a boat and then we install everything with cranes. Along with that we ship a 40-foot container base with all the parts, and that's again done the same way.
I'm proud about being a part of a key project seamlessly delivering new Aerobridges for Brisbane Airport.
I'm proud to see the team come together so we can bridge the gap between the airport and the aircraft.